everyone. Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I have a variety haul, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Temu. So let's get right into it. So we'll start with Dollar General. I did find some summer items that were 70% off. I figured I'd pick them up because I thought they were really cute, and for 70% off of $3, they're little risers that look like fruit pieces. But if you didn't want to use them for summer, I was thinking I could glue it together. Glue it together and paint it a different color and it would be a riser, or I could just keep it the way it is and use them for risers. So I thought that was an excellent deal. They were $3 with 70% off. So I picked up those two. And then I picked this up. This was $1 with 70% off. I was thinking of my husband when I got these two because he likes grilling. Each $1 with 70% off. So you can't go wrong on those prices. It's just a little sign. So those were my summer finds, which I think those were excellent. And what else I found at Dollar General is this cute little dachshund, because I have my little dachshund Olive. There's just a wood piece here, Christmas. It says joy. That was $1. Super cute. And then these were $1. Sometimes the Dollar General is actually cheaper than Dollar Tree. Oops. That was $1, and you get 3 pieces. You get the spatula, and then 2 cookie cutters. So 3 pieces for $1. And it has a little tag if you want to make up like a little cooking basket for Christmas. That'd be a cute little gift basket idea. Picked up these because I like decorating with these, and I'll show you in a little bit what I might use these for. They're $1. Dollar Tree also has the same exact thing for $1.25, so I picked them up when I saw them at Dollar General. Now this is adorable because I love gingerbreads, and this says it can be used as an ornament, but it's supposed to be a tree topper. I'm going to use it for my little tree. That's the hole there for the tree topper. And that was $3. And I'm going to do a little gingerbread tree in my kitchen this year. So I thought that would be perfect. And then I know a lot of people love the nutcrackers, and for some reason I was never really a fan of them. I don't know, but when I saw these two, I fell in love with these two. The snowman. Love, love, love the snowman. He has his little scarf, his hat, he's holding a little tree. It does actually move right there. It has got a scarf in the way. So it's a nutcracker. A really good size. I'd say that's taller than a foot tall. And it was $8. And they didn't have a whole lot of these. They were on my store. They were in the bottom shelf, way in the back. So I'm glad I looked down, because in back of this one was this one. And there was only one in the new box that they had of this kind. So of course, you know, I love the gingerbread. Every year I've been doing it for years. Love it, love it. And they keep saying it's trending this year. I think it's been trending, I don't know, the last 3 years or so. Look at the little candies right here. Little details. His head top is sparkly. These are good size. $8 I didn't think was bad. Love them, love them, love them. And no, I don't need any more Christmas. I gotta stay out of the stores. All right, I think this was $3. For some reason, I already took off the tag, but look how cute. I just bought one. I really don't need any more mugs. I thought maybe put a little Christmas tree in here or some candy canes or just, I don't know. I don't really use these kind of mugs, so it's more like a decorative piece. I love the red handle, the little accents. Super cute. Dollar General, $3. Look at his little face, it's cute. All right, so that is it for Dollar General. Let's go on to Dollar Tree. I thought this was beautiful for fall. It is like a copper color with some leaves. I hope you can see it, but the light shining. Let me shut this off for a second. See how there's like leaves in here? Doesn't really help. Anyway, it's a tray. I have the gold one from there, and I use that quite often. I put like candles in here and, you know, decorate it. But I love the color and I love the leaves, and that would be great for fall, for Thanksgiving, with some like vase filler and some pine cones or candles. Love it. And what else I get? I just picked up some little, I think I have 2 of these somewhere. LED lights, 10 count. I thought they were super cute, the little round colored ones. Picked up 2 of those. Some little gingerbreads. I think they're stickers. The felt stickers, you get 4 for $1.25. I thought those were cute for crafting. Some fake snow for crafting. And these guys, I cannot believe I found these at the Dollar Tree. Now, I don't know if they're as good as the ones I've seen that, I've never bought these before, I've always wanted to, but these are those scent sticks that you put in your Christmas tree to make it smell like a real Christmas tree. Well, I've always seen them at Walmart, and Home Depot had them, and they want over $10. And I could not bring myself to spend $10 on some sticks. So this one smells amazing. It is the Fraser, is it called Fraser? Fraser Fir, which smells like pine. And they're sticks that you put in your tree. There's 6 of them. So you get 6 for $1.25. That is the only scent that I think that they had. Ooh, they're greasy. So anyway, 2 of them I picked up for $1.25 each. Oh, here's the other little, I thought these were just cute for my gingerbread tree. All right, so what else do we have? Oh, yes, and these were new this year, at least to me. They are plastic, which I think is better because I have some of these from the past that are like that wood kind of cardboardy kind of thing. And after a while, they start warping and falling apart. So I actually like that this is a tree, plastic, and it's a church. And I was thinking maybe to snazz these up a little bit. They had the white, they had green, it's like a house, and they had red. And this is like a barn. I mean, you could even maybe put little lights in here. So yeah, I thought they were really cute. They have the little wreath on there with some berries. Some of these wreaths are kind of like a little wonky and squished up, so I was thinking maybe to put these on instead. I mean, you're not really going to notice it on the tree, but I was thinking maybe to fix it up. I mean, you could even put a little bit of Mod Podge or that fake snow on here, some glitter. You could even paint them, but I love them just like this. They're really cute. So I actually got 6 of those, 2 of each, 2 green, 2 red, and 2 white. Really cute. All right, so that's it for that bag. Put them back in there. Oh, and I picked up some of these night lights. These are really good to have. I don't always have them, and it seems like when I'm looking for night lights, I can't find them, so I picked up 2 of these. LED. I think these are the motion center. Automatic night lights. Okay. Next bag is just some trees because I want to make a wreath. I've been seeing a lot of people do those wreaths that are just like the green wreath, and then they have all the trees, different trees in the middle. If I can find a picture, I'll try to insert it, or maybe I'll do a video about it. So I bought different colored trees, different sizes, taller, shorter, different colors. So that's what I plan on doing with those, is making a wreath. I've been seeing a couple of wreaths that I really like to make, and I don't really need more wreaths, but I like how they look. They had the one with the trees all in the bottom, and then they had another one with like little houses, like the little plastic gingerbread houses that you put all around the wreath. Is really pretty also. So yeah, that one's that. Okay, let's see what else I got. All right, let's do this Temu because I haven't even looked in this bag yet. Mostly it's gonna be, I bought a lot of diamond painting kits because they're so much cheaper on Temu. I don't wanna rip anything. All right, my goodness, that's huge. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to show you guys, but I got, let's see, one. I'm not gonna open them all. Some of them are Christmas. They're all diamond kits because I'm working on my last diamond kit that I bought from a while back. This one. There's a lot of them. Oh, and I got this sign I thought was really cute. It says, "The craft room is my happy place." It's metal. I'll take it out of the plastic. All right, where's the scissors? They had different kinds like this, but this one was cute. The craft room is my happy place. Love crafting, guys. I think it's my my stress reliever. All right, what else do we have? All right, I got a Christmas chart. See what this looks like. Oh, cute. Got a V-neck. Let me stand up, if I can stand up here. Okay. Super cute. I think that was only like, I don't know, $5 maybe? The Christmas on the back is upside down. Or backwards. It's backwards. Huh. Okay, maybe that's why it was. This one's right, and the one on the back is backwards. I don't know about that. All right, guys. I think that's all I have for you. Wait, let me just double check. No. Nothing else. That's it. But, you know, the Dollar General has a lot of cute things that I see other people hauling. But every time I go, I never find half of the things that they show. But I think because their quantities are very limited. So you gotta either go often, or I don't know, if you're interested in any of these, you gotta go check it out. Maybe you'll find other things, but I was happy to get those and this one because I wanted them for my gingerbread tree topper. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye for now.